the chat box right now since I will be explaining you. Okay. Once again, we heartily welcome you to MST School of Trading. And today's session will be a demonstration session for the people, those who are subscribed to our indicator yesterday, MST Core 2.0 indicator. So I will explain you what is MST Core 2.0 indicator. So this indicator mainly works in TradingView platform. This indicator mainly works in or only works in tradingview.com. I will turn on the audio. I will turn on the chat box also side by side. If you are not comfortable in English, you can put it in chat box. So I will try to explain in your language, which you understand better. So I am comfortable in English, Tamil, and Hindi, Urdu, little bit Malayalam and Telugu. So these are my stuff. So let me make you very clear, and I will try my level best to make you understand. Already the demonstration of this indicator has been posted every day in a YouTube channel. The same thing I will explain you. In addition to that, at the end of the meeting, I will give some tips. Okay, because you all are paid members, I will give you some tips, but that tips will not be recorded, and that will be given off the recording. So stay back. You will get that important things at the end of the meeting. Okay, first thing what you have to do, we have to type www.tradingview.com in the browser. So here we have to type our the website name, after which this is called ticker. Okay, here you have to select the script whichever you want to trade. Since we people, we trade mainly in the crude oil. Okay, I am selecting the crude oil. So you may ask, why sir, there are 100 subscripts available in the market, 1000 subscripts available in the market. Why you are particularly concentrating on the crude oil? See, the reason is very simple, because we are people who are expecting daily 2000 rupees to 3000 rupees, or let us say 1% to 3% of the income of the capital. To get that income, 1%, 3% of my capital, I need only one script. That is enough. Instead of focusing on concentrating on many script and losing the capital, okay, suppose I have my clients who will earn 1 lakh rupees in crude oil. At the same time, he will lose 2 lakh rupees in the gold. Okay, silver, he will earn 30,000 rupees. He will lose 1 lakh rupees in the nickel. Without having the money management, risk management, he will be investing in everything. So that is not advisable. So we are teaching you a 100% profitable strategy overall in a month, and we have back tested it for 6 years with the backdated data. So what you can do, you follow any one script, you select any one as per your choice. We are not emphasizing to choose only crude oil. You please do back test for 6 months. The data is available for more than 12 to 15 years. So you can make use of that for free of cost. So I am selecting crude oil, then full featured chart. So I'm going very slowly. I will consume only 15 minutes, and any of you is having doubts, you can call me. So I'm removing all the indicators, whatever is there on my chart at present. So now I'm going to indicator, then favorite. So in favorite, I'm selecting MST Core 2.0. So this one. So since the strategy is mostly working in 1 minute chart, I'm keeping 1 minute chart. Every day we are showing in 1 minute chart only. Okay. Done. So I will shrink this chart. So in this indicator, what we have? So we have these many items. Okay. First one, we have first buy and first sell. Second one, we have second buy and second sell. Third one, we have second buy extra targets, fifth target and sixth target. And fourth one, we have sell target extra, 5th and 6th. Then we have the 3 important parts, moving average, 1, 2, 3, and VWAP. So this VWAP is added based on a request from a client. So when he requested, we immediately added it and we have updated to everyone. So these are the things we have. Okay, now how to trade as per this? How to trade as per this indicator? It's very, very simple. What you have to do, already I have given one manual in the indicator itself. Where is that manual? You go to indicator and select this portion. You select this portion. Here, come here. So this portion you have to click on to this. This is a description mode. This is the description about the indicator. What this indicator will do, we have explained that very clearly. So next thing. So I think, very good. The code is not visible. So now, this MST score 2.0 works well for crude oil and back tested for 5 years data. It has given 88% profit and 12% loss. So we are telling in advance, you will get 88% of success rate and you will have to face 12% loss. It means if you are trading for 22 days, our minimum target is 25. Okay, so 22 into 25, how many points? I will calculate, I will show you what it is. Calculator. So 22 into, we have 27 points first target. So we are getting 594 points. How many points we are getting? 594 points. If 88% is a success rate, then we are getting 522.72 points. How many points? 572, 522.72. So leave these 22 points for brokerage. Leave this 22 points for brokerage and you are getting 500 points in a month. Even if you are losing 250 points with your own mistake and you are getting 250 points in a month. Even if it is working for 44%, then you are getting 250 points. So 250 into 100 rupees, you are getting 25,000 rupees profit in a month. For you, even if you have invested 1 lakh rupees, you are getting 25,000 in a month only in the crude oil trade. I think it is sufficient for everyone. You invest 2 lakh rupees, take 2 lot initially and double your profit to 50,000 rupees per month. It becomes your salary. But actually we are getting 500 points. So I'm telling for the least case, even if you are getting 250 points monthly, you will get 25,000 rupees profit overall. If you are investing the same 1 lakh rupees in a bank, you will get only 6,000 rupees per year. For a year you will get. So keep in mind. So that's the thing. This you have to keep in your mind. My slogan in MST School of Trading is, trading is a business, not a gambling. So what a business? You have to invest more and you have to expect less profit. That is a less profit in the sense reasonable profit. That is a business. Gambling means you have to invest very less amount and you have to expect big amount, big profit. That is not a reasonable. So that becomes the gambling. So we request everyone to go for a business, not for the gambling. Okay, next one. And fortunately, it is also working for all the markets. The beauty is we developed this indicator only for the crude oil and the commodity market, but it is working for all the market. That is the advantage. Then how to use the indicator? Enable first buy and first sell signal in the indicator setting at 9:35 a.m. in 1 minute time frame. See, we have clearly mentioned here. in 1 minute time frame, you will have to enable the first buy and first sell. Whichever triggers first, take trade, and you can avoid the other side. I think it is very clear. You have to keep the you have to enable the indicator at 9:35 a.m. So assume that now it is 9:35 a.m. So what I'm doing, I am going to settings. This is the settings. I am enabling first buy and first sell. So both enabled. So assume that market has opened just now. Market has opened just now at here, at 2815. I will be waiting for the entry. Either the price has to reach here at 2834, or it has to come down to 2790. If either of this is happening, I will not take the entry. I will take the entry only if either market has reached to this side, 2834 or 2790. If either of them is not activated, I will not trade. I will wait with the pending order. I will wait with the pending order. So here, what happened in the morning itself, we got our buy entry. In the morning itself, we got our buy entry. So what do we have to do? We have to cancel the sell entry. Go here, deselect the sell target, sell entry. So now we have only buy side. So now buy 2790 activated. Now you have to keep the stop loss 2765, and you have to place the first target 2815 if you are trading with only one lot. If you are trading with only one lot. If you are trading with 4 lot or 3 lot, take 3 lot or 4 lot, book the first profit at the first target. First lot at the first target. So remaining you have two lots. Second lot at the second target, and your SL will be moved to cost. And third lot at the third target, and your SL will be moved to first target. Now you have booked a 3 lot, right? If the market is coming down, if SL is hit, already you have got profit for 2 lots. Is it clear? So this is how you have to trade. If you have taken 4 lots, book the third lot at the third target, then move your stop loss to third target and wait for the fourth target. So only one lot is left here. So even if you are losing, you will lose the trade at this place. And already you have booked 3 lots with a good profit. Okay. First lot you have got 27 points. Second lot you have got 54 points. And third lot you have got 81 points. Altogether you'll be getting 154 something points. So roughly I'm telling, please calculate yourself. So this is how we are trading. So this is how this is the system you have to follow. When you are following a system and yet you are making failures, no issue. You will get a good return next day. So someone has raised your hand. Okay, first let me explain this. Then I will come to the question answer session. Is that clear? So this is how you have to trade. Suppose if SL hit here, what we have to do? See here, the low made was 2766, but our SL is 2765. So still our buy is valid. Okay, our SL is not hit. Again, see, first target entry done, first target done, and second target done. Any problem? Are you not able to hear me, or why so many messages? My mistake. I rose. Sorry. Okay. No issue, man. No issue. Okay. Now, again, see, in only one point, our SL is skipped. Next one, if SL hit, what you have to do? Then we have to enable the second sell. If buy side SL hit, then we have to go for the second entry. See here, immediately at 2765, our second entry will be activated. Second entry will be activated. Here, second entry not activated. Here only activated. See, here only activated second entry, this place. So this place 66, not 65. We should be very careful. So 665 activated here, and first target 40, and the low made was 44. So since already we got our first entry here and 3 targets here, we are ignoring the remaining entries. We request and we suggest and recommend everyone to trade only one trade per day and protect your capital and profit. Slowly you increase, slowly you double your capital, then start taking the risk. So that's this is about the indicator. So next what we have, second buy we have. When it will be activated, if first sell SL is triggered, then second buy will be activated. So yesterday what happened in first sell, the first sell activated at 2834 and SL was 2860. Exactly SL hit. But what's our condition? If buy activated, we have to ignore the sell. If sell activated, we have to ignore the buy. That's our condition. So this first sell is not valid. But there is some techniques to follow the second first sell, first buy, second buy, and second sell, and we can keep on trading. We have a technique. We have a technique that we will teach in the price action course, not in this indicator. If you are teaching this, then you will be confused and you will be taking more trade and you will lose your entire capital. So that's why we are avoiding now. So that's about our indicator. And I have given the extra targets, fifth target and sixth targets, to know where the market will reach maximum. What is the maximum level of the market? If the market is having more violent movement yesterday, then the maximum low will be 2631 and the maximum high will be 3004. So this is the maximum level. It cannot breach this level. So in such a way we have made this indicator. So after this meeting, I will tell you how to use these 3 moving averages. So now I will open the chat box to answer your queries. Please, you can post your questions one by one. Can you show on currency and USD dollar? Yes, I will show. But before that, if you have any questions with this indicator, please ask me. Because once you subscribe to our indicator, it is with you for lifetime. So you can check with any script as per your wish. I'm here to give the answers for your questions. Does the higher time frame changes levels? 1 or 2 points will be changing. 1 or 2 points will be changing. So that we are requesting you to keep only in the 1 minute time frame. I will show you yesterday the buy level. First, I will enable the first buy. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, you can keep 3 points buffer. Suppose yesterday's low was 2790, and if it is not breaking 2790, and if it is trading around 279293, if it is not coming down, then you can take 3 points in advance. Because our stop loss is only 25 to 26 points, you can take minimum of 30 points risk and you can keep 30 points stop loss. 1:1 ratio you can keep always, no issue. Similarly for gold, silver, 300 rupees extra risk you can take. Only 300 rupees based on the condition. When you are used to this indicator, you will understand how many points buffer you have to keep. Yeah, I actually wanted to show you in higher time frame, right? So 3 minutes I'm keeping. In 3 minutes, it is changing 2 points. In 5 minutes, same value. In 15 minutes, as whatever the 1 minute shown, same 1 minute value. And it will not give you the lines more than 15 minutes. You cannot see the lines. See, when you have changed to 30 minutes time frame, you will not see this buy entry, sell entry, because it is working only in the intraday. So that's why we have restricted to 15 minutes. Other questions? Welcome, sir. Any other question, please post. Don't hesitate. And whoever is having problem in indicator installation, after this meeting, I will take your AnyDesk and I will install in your system and give you. Don't worry. And yesterday we have given the offer at 6,999 only for those people who has opened account with us. Okay. And whoever has not opened the account, please open so that we both will get benefited. Let's grow together. If you want to add something additional, can you code in? Yes, I can code it for you. No issue. So yesterday, what happened in silver, I will show you. Yesterday, we had a good movement in the silver. We got around 2,200 points in silver. And one of our customer has booked 700 points only in the silver micro. Silver micro, he has booked 700 points. See, our buy activated at this level, 64,056. Exactly, market opened here and went up, then came here, exactly buy activated. There is a W pattern also for double confirmation. So the middle point is broken and gave the retracement point, then shoot up. First target done, second target done. Our revised stop loss will be here, not hit. Then second target done, our revised stop loss will be here, not hit. Then third target, fourth target also hit. Exactly. See, after hitting the fourth target, market has reversed. So that is the beauty. That is the beauty of this indicator. Even for Bank Nifty also, it is working well. Okay, I'm using free version of the Zoom. So in 40 minutes, the meeting will be over. If you are having any doubts, kindly post it. Kindly please type and send. Still the charges are same. The charges has been changed. Yesterday only we had given offer at 6,999. From today it is 14,999. But those people who has contacted us yesterday, they can still avail this offer. Provided they will have to open the account with us and they have to trade in that account. Whatever you are paying, you can get it back in a single trade. In a single trade or in a single day, you will get it back. So we are giving you to very minimum amount. So I hope there is no more doubts. If anybody is having any doubts, please feel free to ask the doubts. I will explain you. So this is your opportunity. Please make use of it. யாருக்காவது டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க, உடனே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிடுறேன். Bank Nifty is feature only or option trade? Sir, the indicator shows everything. You can trade in option, you can trade in features, no issue. When you are trading in option, don't look at the feature chart. When you are trading in features, don't look at the index chart. If you are trading in the features, you have to look at the Bank Nifty index, not in the feature. If you are trading in the features, don't look at the index, look at the features only. For option Bank Nifty, which chart? For option Bank Nifty, you have to select index. Select the index, Bank Nifty index, then whichever price is running, that you can do it. In addition to this, I am running one option course. Okay, option course I'm running, MST School of Trading option training. So thereby you will learn everything about the option. Tamil sir, option நீங்க ட்ரேட் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா இண்டெக்ஸ் சார்ட்டை பார்க்கணும். ஃபியூச்சர்ல நீங்க ட்ரேட் பண்ற மாதிரி இருந்தீங்கன்னா ஃபியூச்சர் சார்ட் மட்டும் தான் பார்க்கணும், பேங்க் நிஃப்டி இண்டெக்ஸ் பார்க்க கூடாது. சோ இந்த சார்ட்ல ரெண்டு இருக்கும், பேங்க் நிஃப்டி இண்டெக்ஸ்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கும், பேங்க் நிஃப்டி ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கும். சோ நீங்க ஆப்ஷன்ல ட்ரேட் பண்ணும்போது பேங்க் நிஃப்டி இண்டெக்ஸை பார்த்துட்டு பேங்க் நிஃப்டி ஆப்ஷன்ல ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ்ல ட்ரேட் பண்ணும்போது ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் மட்டும் பார்த்து ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம இண்டிகேட்டர் எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் காட்டும். நீங்க அந்த சார்ட் வச்சா அது படி அந்த வேல்யூஸ் படி வேல்யூ காட்டும், இந்த சார்ட் வச்சா இந்த சார்ட் படி வேல்யூஸ் காட்டும். Show Bank Nifty chart, please. once and US dollar. Okay. I have not tried in USD INR. I don't know whether it is working. So let me check. So this is the US dollar. So it has come exactly here and it has given some profit. FX IDC ES.C, this perfect one. Okay. First one or third one? Check first one. Say buy only activated. It is in buy trend. So here it is sell trend. So after activating buy here, buy first target done, then it is coming down. So this testing you can do, sir, after you subscribing to indicator. So you asked for Bank Nifty, no? I will select this Bank Nifty. I will show you, this is features. So here it is mentioned features. This is index. Whichever you want, you can select. So what happened previous day? So the market is in full buy trend. So previous day what happened? Exactly our buy activated. At this place, buy activated. First target done. Second target didn't reach. And it didn't come to our cost to cost also. Then second day what happened? That is yesterday. Buy not activated. So we have to set sell. So sell side, sell activated exactly here. And it has given this much profit from 24,435 to this level. What is the low? 24,265. Around 250 points it has given the profit. 250 points it has given the profit. But after that it has reversed. It has reversed and SL hit. After hitting the SL, it has given from 26,607 to 26,849. Around one more 200 points we have got. So anyway, we have recovered the loss. Okay, here if you are booked 200 points, 250 points profit, that is good. So what we suggest, when the Bank Nifty is giving 100 points profit, immediately revise your stop loss to cost or book the profit. After next 100, you revise the stop loss to 100 points. So similarly, how to do for crude oil also, when the market is giving 15 points profit, revise your stop loss to cost. When the market is moving to 30 points, revise stop loss to 15 points. So this way you can protect your capital and your profit. So this is our price action techniques. Okay, this is not the technique what we follow in MST core indicator. In MST core indicator, we have to strictly follow either stop loss or target. That's all. We are not changing anything. But in a price action, we suggest people whenever they are reaching 100 points in Bank Nifty, they have to revise their stop loss. Similarly, whenever they are reaching 15 points, 10 to 15 points in a crude oil, they have to revise the stop loss to cost. Then they have to keep revising their stop loss level. So this is what we teach in the price action course. So it is up to you either to revise stop loss or how to buy it with stop loss and target. I am subscribing. Okay, please go ahead. You can make payment in using Google Pay, Phone Pay, and my number 9500009154. Please send details in Telegram. Okay, I will send the details in Telegram. Any other questions? So this meeting is arranged only for you people to resolve your queries. ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் தான் கேளுங்க. இந்த மீட்டிங் வந்து உங்களுக்காக தான் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணது. ஒன்லி ஃபார் த பீப்புள் ஹூ ஆர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப்டு. யாரெல்லாம் இது சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாங்களோ அவங்களுடைய சந்தேகத்தை தீர்க்கிறதுக்காக தான் இந்த மீட்டிங் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So please feel free to ask your doubts. I think there will be no doubts in this. It is very crystal clear. But quote me the additional stuff, please. Okay, no issue. Other three indicators. What's other three indicators? Okay, mainly now in addition to this MST Core 2.0, I am having one more two indicators. Okay, about this I will release one more video. So if I continue everything in a single video, it will be a very longer duration. But we are trading mainly in this indicator only. So the benefit of this indicator is you don't have to look at the chart candlestick pattern. Okay, you just look at the values. Whatever the values are there for buy entry, sell entry, just place. Don't look at the candle. Don't look at the pattern. You will be afraid. You will come out of the market with less profit or with loss. Market wherever it goes, you don't worry. You just follow the strategy. This strategy is not a simple strategy. It is based on the price action method. So the moment you see that how it works for all the scripts, right? So that you will understand the beauty of it. See, yesterday I will show you for natural gas. Natural gas. I will enable first buy, then I will set whether target is achieved or not. See here, exactly our buy entry got triggered. Then first target achieved, second target achieved, third target almost achieved. We are suggesting to book at the first target itself, then revise the stop loss. Then what happened? If you are a risky taker, you can go for the sell entry also, right? That we have a technique. That technique we will teach you. So in first sell, what happened? Exactly, our first sell activated. It has gone up to the stop loss, but didn't reach the stop loss. First target done, second target done, third target done, fourth target almost reached. You select any script of your choice and keep trading in it. And you can see the previous data, right? The previous data is available. See here. Yesterday, sell activated, first target done, second target not reached. Again, it went up, first target done, again went up to entry, then first target, second target, third target, fourth target. And second sell also activated, almost 5 targets achieved here. It's very simple. So not only for 2 days, you can say, so you can see for many days, you can see. See here. Exactly, this is the perfect thing. Exactly, sell activated, first target, second target, third target, fourth target, all targets done. See, after fourth target, see, look at the beauty. After fourth target, see how it exactly reverses. Not even 1 point is going down. Exactly target done, then it is reversing. Again, see here, exactly at our second target, it is reversing. So it is going in this way here also. So if those people who know support and resistance, our each and every lines will be working as a support and resistance. You can make use of it. You can forget about this first buy, first sell, target 1, target 2. Okay, you just consider these lines. Whenever these lines are breaking, go for buy. Whenever these lines are not breaking and it is resisted here, go for sell. It is very simple. And yesterday nickel also, I can show you. We are not trading in multiple script. That also I'm telling. We are trading limited script. So see here, sell activated. How many points? For nickel, 1 point, 1,500 rupees. So that you have to keep in mind. See here, sell activated. SL not reached. So this is the high, but SL is here. Again, first target done here. What is the low made? The low made was 11144 from 1161. So almost 18 points profit done. 18 points mean 18 into 1,500 rupees, 27,000 rupees profit per lot for single lot. So you can ask how it is possible to hold for such a big target. It is up to you. It is up to your experience. You can keep revising your stop loss. I told you after first target, revise stop loss to cost. See here, first target done, but it has not reached the cost. After second target, you can revise the first target. So this way you will get the profit. Even if you are booking at the first target, you are getting 10 points. 10 points mean 10 into 1,500, 15,000 rupees profit in a single lot, in a single trade. That is a very huge amount. No need for pro version, sir. So this indicator is working in a free version. You can use only free version of the TradingView application. You can install in mobile phone, you can install in tab, in computer, iPhone, in any platform you can install. This is not platform independent. Okay, thank you all. Thank you all for joining for this meeting. So we have created one separate group for MST Core 2.0 indicator members. So there also we will post the calls. If any updates, anything to be updated, we will be posting there. And in futures, all the updates, whatever we are giving, that will be updated for free of cost. You don't have to pay anything extra, right? In this indicator, if there is anything to be modified, suppose yesterday 2860 was the high, in second sell it got activated, but as per the strategy we should not go for second entry because first entry got activated, targets done. We should go away from the market. That 1 or 2 points if we are changing in a formula, then we will be updating the indicator, and that update will be updated to all of you automatically. You don't have to contact us. We will be updating from the server, and that will be updated to everyone. You don't have to worry. Okay, thank you all. We request everyone, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, MST School of Trading. I will share the link, and please open the account with us with the link, whichever you have given, and start trading. And please help us to increase the subscribers and to get more clients. Those people who are facing loss only, please ask them to contact us. We will help them to recover their loss using our wonderful indicator. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Wish you all a happy, profitable days ahead. Jai Hind.